Hello dear students, this is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, your computer teacher, doing a warm welcome to you in the online computer classes. So before I begin our today's session, a quick reminder to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and keep motivating your other classmates, friends for the same. Let's begin. Before I start anything, just have a look on this. What is AI? Have you ever think how human is thinking, how our thinking process is going on? What all are the mechanisms that brain are doing? In this session, we will explore our brain and its replica. So my dear student of class 7th, by the time you must have aware we are going to start a topic which is quite different from traditional computation. This topic has been integrated with your computer. Artificial intelligence is not something very different. It is the part of the modern computation. Or I can say this technology will definitely bring revolution in the field of technology. Science and technology. But before I start or say anything, one thing, PDF of the assignment link is available in the description box. Please go through it and solve it. A small PDF is there. So if you are talking about intelligence, just leave artificial part. Now just first of all focus about intelligence. There are two types of intelligence: natural intelligence that humans are possessing and artificial intelligence that machines are possessing. How these two are different from each other, we will explore through this topic. We will explore one more thing. When we encounter the term artificial intelligence, first thing click our mind is robots. But the concept is just not limited to robot. Something more is there. But before all these things, let us understand the concept of intelligence. Humans, being are by birth, has the mind which can think rationally, apply logics, and adapt themselves to different situations. Our thought process is very flexible. For example, let's take an example of yourself only. You behave differently in the school, differently at home, differently at party. 3 different places you went, being the same person, behaving differently. Why? Because you are intelligent. You know how to behave and in what manner to behave in a particular place. Do you think if I create a robot and I put some intelligence in it, whatever instruction I will give, it will behave accordingly? It does not understand how to behave at different places, isn't it? So, artificial intelligence is just a replica but not same. It is similar to human intelligence, similar but not identical. It is not the exact copy. We are working on the process. We have the resources. We are working on the development of artificial intelligence now also. So let's define what is AI. A small definition is there. Please go through this, understand this definition. AI is artificial intelligence that is not real. Artificial means something that is not real, that is possessing by machine. It is the study or the creation of systems or machines that can work as human. I have told you, artificial intelligence is not equivalent to robot. Robots are the part of artificial intelligence. But we can create machines, systems, everything. Okay, fine. Let me give you one real life example. All of you are aware of ATM machines. Some of you must have gone also to take out the money from there, right? You know, it is also the part of artificial intelligence. Have you ever thought that thing? Have this thought comes to your mind anytime? This can be an artificial intelligent machine. Why I am saying it is intelligent? Suppose you are giving the instruction to machine, take out 10,000 rupees, right? You type the 10,000 rupees you have to take out. So machine automatically, is there any person inside the ATM? No, no. Machine automatically count 10,000 rupees and it has been dispatched to you. Is that how? So this way of only intelligent machine can do it, right? Some other person say 20,000, whatever according to the user demand it works. It does not do any kind of mistakes in that, right? Why? Because it is intelligent. Intelligent people, intelligent machines does not do error generally, right? If there is any technical issues, then the error can be there. Otherwise, there is a minimal chances of error. So ATM machines is a real life example that you are using, but you are not aware till now that is a part of AI, artificial intelligence. You are using it right now, but this artificial intelligence concept has been coined by John McCarthy in 1955. Means so earlier this concept has came, but we are using it and still we are doing a lot of discoveries in that. I think in near future it is going to take over most of the work the human do. We are working on that. As robots are the simple part of AI, but the main motto is to create a machine which can think independently. Likewise, ATM machine, I have given you an example, right? Your washing machines are also nowadays artificial intelligence. See, Siri in Apple mobile can recognize your voice. You know, day to day life you are using it. Sometimes you know, you are aware, sometimes you are not aware. Now the question is, there is one computer which is artificially intelligent but not enough, right? These computers are having traditional computing system. We are thinking to create a machine which can think independently. Likewise, I am giving you an example of washing machine. Nowadays, washing machines are also artificial intelligence. But the question I was asking that time was, will you think it will replace human completely by 2050? Or it will bring a fruitful revolution, a healthy revolution, or it will be a disastrous for earth? All these questions has to be answered. In the upcoming session, I will answer all the questions to you. This is very interesting topic. Post your comments if you like the session.